Have you ever wondered why the big cost difference from one attachment to another? Here at Attach 2 we want to make sure you get best value for money from our products. Hey, I'm Logan, Sales Manager at Attach 2. I want you to understand what makes up the cost of an attachment. We've learned some hard lessons since 2012, which you don't have to learn because we've built this value into our products. What may seem as a cheap attachment or a low cost option is not necessarily the case. When you're buying an attachment, we quite often talk about return on investment of a machine, but not necessarily considering the extras, which may be the attachment, which play a huge role in the return on investment of the whole package. In this video, I'll tell you how much our attachments cost and how to get best return on your investment. So what does an attachment cost? So here at Attach 2, we supply construction machines from 1 tonne to 50 tonne. On a 1 tonne excavator, you could pay for a hitch or a bucket, you could pay $800. Through to a 50 tonne excavator, you could pay $45,000. So what contributes to the cost of an attachment? So the critical factors are the steel, obviously, the steel source. We only have premium suppliers with reputable steel mills which have quality measures in place so they have consistent grades of steel. And also another point is the application of that steel. So whether it be for a wear application or a strength and structural application, making sure you have the placement of those steels in the right place. To give you an example of our coupler, we're making sure we have Bisalloy Bis 80 hardened steel on our chassis to ensure that they don't get bruising on the hitch, and the wear is borne on the pins, which is a replaceable part. And another example would be the skin or the wrap of our buckets being Bis 80 hardened steel to optimize the weight and get that longevity, because they are wear steel and they've also got flexibility, so they can bend and come back into the same form as they were before. So design is another critical factor for considering the cost. Our designs here at Attach 2 are always evolving, so you are getting best value for money. So another factor is the cost of inventory. Here at Attach 2 we have a large inventory holding, so when you have a request we can supply straight away. A critical factor to consider is parts backup and support of the product. Here at Attach 2, this is the main area we invest in, our people and our processes, to ensure we can support you and your product. And this we hear loud and clear from our customers. This is often in the market the #1 disappointment. So we want to make sure we've got our bases covered and we're there to support you when you need us. Here at Attach 2 we're so confident in our products. We run a 3-year industry-leading warranty, which is 311, so broken down is 3 years on all manufacturing and material defects, 1 year on hydraulic components, and 1 year on any wear parts to ensure you're covered. So how do you figure out what is the cost of the attachment? You can call us and we can walk you through the right attachment for your machine. So what you need to know is the machine make and model, and we can tell you the specific attachment which would apply. So I trust you have a deeper understanding of what goes into the overall cost of Attach 2's premium attachments. If you are ready to buy, please give us a call.